Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Travel and Invest channel. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I got a new card in the mail, and that's the Citi Premier card. That's Citibank's mid-tier credit card. So right below the Citi Prestige and right above the Citi Double Cash. Now I've been waiting on this card for a while now because I already have the Citi Prestige and the Citi Double Cash. And with this card, I now have what's called the Citi Trifecta, which makes for a powerful card setup. If you're interested in a detailed Citi Trifecta video, let me know in the comment section below. If there's enough interest, I'll create that video. Right now we're going to unbox the Citi Premier card, check out what's inside, and talk about the sign-up bonus, benefits, and perks that come along with this card. Before we get started, an easy way to support the channel is just by hitting that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. But let's get started. Alright, so here's the envelope. Nothing fancy, just your normal standard envelope. Actually, this one's kind of dirty. Beat the hell up actually. It looks like somebody's been playing frisbee with my envelope, but I don't care nothing about that. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So, when you first open it up, it has some of your account information. As you can see, I blocked out my personal info so it's not all over the internet. Also on the bottom of the letter, they thank you for choosing the Citi Premier card. Now when you flip it over, the actual card is attached. It also has some benefits on this page, but we're going to go over all this in detail here in a little bit. Another thing that comes in the envelope is information about interest rates, fees, and other items that again, we're going to discuss here shortly. But now that I finally have all three cards in the Citi Trifecta, let's take a look at all three of the cards. Here are the three cards all together. I personally think the Citi Prestige is the best looking card out of the bunch. It's a plastic card, but check this out. When you look at it real close, it actually has a little 3D effect. I'm not sure if my camera's gonna pick it up though. But yeah, here are all three cards in the Citi Trifecta. Now, let's do a full review of the Citi Premier card. So, the Citi Premier has an annual fee of $95 that is not waived the first year. But like most travel reward credit cards, it can pay for itself if you're already a traveler and can maximize the benefits of the card. It comes with a sign-up bonus of 60,000 Citi thank you points after you spend $4,000 on the card in the first 3 months of account opening. This is one of the better sign-up bonuses on the market currently. I'm going to use the Points Guy's valuation of Citi thank you points, which is 1.7 cents per point. So your 60,000 point sign-up bonus is valued at $1,020. Even when you subtract the $95 annual fee, you still have a positive value of $925. It's important to know that this card does count towards Citi's 24-month bonus rule. This rule states that you're not eligible for a sign-up bonus on any card that earns Citi thank you points if you received a bonus in the past 24 months. Cards that earn Citi thank you points are the Citi Rewards Plus card, the Citi Prestige, and of course the Citi Premier. As far as point earnings, you're going to earn 3 points per dollar spent on airfare, hotels, supermarkets, restaurants, and gas stations. You're going to earn 1 point per dollar spent everywhere else. That's a pretty wide variety of items in that 3-point category, which I like a lot, and it makes this card real competitive against its peers. Now these are the new and improved point earnings that take effect August 23rd of 2020, so in a few weeks. Until then, you'll have the old point earnings of 3 points per dollar spent on airfare, hotels, and gas, 2 points per dollar spent on entertainment, and 1 point per dollar spent everywhere else. As you can see, they dropped the entertainment category completely. However, the additions definitely outweigh the reduction. As far as travel perks, once per year, you're going to get a $100 statement credit when you book a hotel stay costing $500 or more. Because the Citi Premier earns Citi thank you points, you'll be able to book travel on the Citi Travel portal at a rate of 1.25 cents per point. But this only lasts until April 10th of 2021. After this date, you'll only be able to book travel on Citi's travel portal at a rate of 1 cent per point, which is in line with the current Citi Prestige card. Now this is definitely a huge negative and something I believe hurts this card. But again, you'll still be able to book on the portal until April 10th of 2021 at a rate of 1.25 cents per point, so keep that in mind. Now if you're more experienced with points and miles and you feel like doing the research, you're going to get the most value from your points by transferring them to Airline Partners. Citi currently has 16 transfer partners, meaning you can transfer your Citi thank you points to any of these reward programs where you can get some great flight redemptions, especially if you're someone who flies business class or first class. Now as you can see, they don't partner with the 3 biggest US airlines. However, the airlines that they do partner with cover all the main airline alliances, which if you take a little time to research, you'll find that you can get some deep value. And this is also a good card to use when traveling internationally, as it has no foreign transaction fees. You can also redeem thank you points for cash back, credit statements, gift cards, and online shopping with participating retailers. As far as protections go, the Citi Premier comes with damage and theft purchase protection and extended warranty. This card used to have way more protections, but Citi slashed a bunch of them last year. So, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review of the Citi Premier card. I think this card can definitely hold its own against the American Express Gold card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and other mid-tier credit cards. If you would like me to do a comparison video on some of these cards, let me know in the comments section below, or you can just hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.